Now here we have it, people. Pixel Buds Pro.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Now if you remember, I first got a chance to hear these things at the Google store when I happened upon it about a month or so ago in Manhattan. Wasn't even aware the store was there. Saw it, went in, and was blown away pretty much by the audio offerings of these buds. So when they became available, or I mean they were available at the time, but when I was able to get them, I jumped on it. Now this isn't the color that I wanted. I wanted the green, but just for the sake of the channel and what I want to do with them, I said let's jump on the one that they have for the price that they have it for, and maybe later on swap out these blacks for the green. Alright, so here's the box. Pixel Buds Pro by Google. You see a picture of the buds on it, not even the case, just the buds themselves. It says here with active noise cancellation. Now you have your barcode at the bottom that you only use when you buy these things. You have a barcode at the back, all of the fine print that no one ever really reads. It says Google at the side, and nothing up top. That's where the tab was to hang it on a bar in a store. Now, it slips off quite easily, and in the box you have the case. Now, the case is really smooth, extremely so, like a pebble, much like the original Pixel Buds that I have here. You can see that the case is only slightly bigger, and not even by much. It's more wide than tall, but it is a slightly larger case. The case does have USB-C at the bottom, one cord to rule them all, a pairing button at the back, smooth curves all around, no edge at all, and in the case you have the buds, just like the original. Before I do that, let's see what else is in the box. Nothing at all. That's it. Not even a cord, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. I guess they figured this case can charge wirelessly, and it is USB-C, which most people do have. So they went the extra step to give you even less than most other companies do. Go Google. I'm not sure why I put that back in the box. Now, to make proper use of the buds, we're going to use my Pixel 6a. I know I haven't really told you guys about this device. I am working on a little something for it. It's a culmination of vids that I've been just recording over the past few weeks since I've had it. So if you want to see that, make sure to like and subscribe. But yeah, we're gonna use these with this because it only seems right. So let's flip this over, open up the buds, and take them out. Now, already, if memory serves, the buds should already be synced up to this device. There is a place you can go in, and you'll have your Pixel. Where is it? Let's go in here. Check Bluetooth. Pixel Buds Pro. Boom. No, it does remember my original Pixel Buds simply because they were recorded on my Google account. Now, when you go in here, you have all the controls for your Pixel Buds. Let's just go over it really quick. There isn't really much there to the app, but at least there's something there. You have Find My Device, your touch controls, you have sound, ear tip seal check, which is new for these buds, and multi-point and audio switch. So the fact that these buds have both available, I think it is invaluable if you are someone who has multiple devices and doesn't have to carry a bunch of different earbuds or Bluetooth headphones to make use of them. So just to give you guys a good look at the Pixel Buds Pro, they're no longer the rounded shape of the original Pixel Buds. They're more of a bean shape, very similar to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Not as bean-ish, but elongated, I guess it would be the better term for it. The original Pixel Buds, which I have here, you can see, well, they both share the rounded top. This top is a little bit bigger, more surface area, but the back is significantly smaller. Not nearly as long as the back of the Buds Pro. Also, the original had the little wingtip to try to fit in your ear better, more secure. These ones don't have the wingtip, but to me they fit just as secure and more comfortable as well. And everyone likes to have these wingtips poking in their ear canal like that. They both share the same type of tip. Well, this one I feel is a little larger. It might just be the tip size, but there is a nice little size difference between the two of these. Both of them worked well. The originals, for some reason, this is my second pair of them, and when I go to use them, only one ear will work. Only one ear will sync. It seems to be a problem that all of, or most of the original Pixel Buds have, but this is my second pair, and the same thing happened to these, which is one of the reasons I vouched to get, or I went to get the Pro, and I wasn't too confident in getting these simply because I thought the issue might happen again. Now, let me put these in my ear so you guys see how they look. You can see how they fit. That's the right ear, and that is the left ear. The left ear does sit very flush in my ear. If you look straight ahead, you will not see it. As always, my right ear does not like most earbuds. This one included. If I didn't have this pair, you might be able to see the right bud protruding more than the left. But the left, as far as the feel, it feels very comfy. I don't think the right one will go anywhere. So far it hasn't, though it's not as tight and not as secure as the left, simply because, like I just said, my right ear despises earbuds for the most part. But overall, I like the way they look in the ear, the way they fit so neatly in the ear. Even without the wingtips, I do feel that they fit well and they are secure in the ear canal. I'm not afraid to shake them around. See, they didn't move, though this one does feel again loose, but somehow it still stays in there. So good on Google for changing up the ergonomics of these buds to better fit without the use of a wingtip. Everyone likes the wingtips. Now, as I try and do, I'm going to play a selection from Spotify and just give you guys my impressions of how exactly these things sound. Now, I'm a fan of 21 Pilots, so I'm going to go into Morph Morph has a pretty good arrangement of instruments. So the percussion, the drums, the guitars, there's a nice smooth chorus there. So feel free to play along. One thing about these that I realize, especially when I compare them to like the Buds 2 Pro or the AirPods Pro 2, these are very balanced. Nothing is too high, too low. Nothing feels out of place. This chorus, when it just smooths out, everything is distinct. Now, not everyone likes that pure balanced sound. Even me, depending on the earbud, I'm not a particular fan of it. But these do it very well. And that's what I heard when I went to the Google store. I wasn't sure what it was that made me say, oh, I really have to give these a listen. It was that amazing balance. Everything just comes through so crisp and clean. Nothing seems muffled. Nothing seems out of place. And it's a very good sound. So with that said, my name is NG, the NeonX, and unboxing and giving these Google Pixel Buds Pro a listen. This is what I'm into.